Very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay, students. So we start our today class. So this is your child-centric writing skills book. Okay, so today we will do the writing part. So you all have to bring out your writing skills book. And for writing, pencil is must. So you must have pencil and eraser in your hands. Okay, but before that, I wanna ask कि आप reading practice कर रहे हो regularly? Yes, most of the students share the videos with me. जब आप रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो आप मैम के साथ वीडियो शेयर करते हो. वेरी गुड. ऐसे ही अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे बिकॉज रीडिंग इज very much important. Okay, so to improve your reading skills, practice is must. ठीक है, फॉर एवरीथिंग अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो वो आपकी स्किल्स को और इम्प्रूव करती है. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही अगर आपको अपनी स्पोकन इंग्लिश डेवलप करनी है, ठीक है, तो आपको रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस जरूर करनी है. फाइन. तो जितनी ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे रीडिंग की उतनी ज्यादा आपकी रीडिंग हैबिट इम्प्रूव होगी. ओके, चलो लेट्स ओपन योर बुक स्टूडेंट्स. ये तो जनरल एक बात थी जो मैम को आपके साथ शेयर करनी थी. ठीक है, और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है किसी भी कंसेप्ट में, किसी भी जब आप रीड करते हो आपको साउंड में इशू है कि इसकी फोनिक साउंड क्या है, so you can ask me, right? चलो, now you have to come on page number 53. Where is your page number 53? Okay, students, so you have to open your page number 53. Okay, this one is your page number 52. Turn your page around. Come to the next page. This is your next page. Okay, this is your page number 53. If you want to cross check it, so come down, come below and see the number, right? Page number is mentioned below. आप पेज नंबर अगर आपको देखना है सो आप एकदम नीचे देखो, देयर इज द नंबर मेंशन, सो दैट इज द पेज नंबर. ओके, so students, in our previous exercise also we do the concept of prepositions, right? Or in our previous tier fifth, I introduced you the concept. ठीक है, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन को, है ना, ऐसे वर्ड्स जो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट किसी भी थिंग की पोजीशन को बताएं उनको हम prepositions कहते हैं. ठीक है, the words, the name of the words tell the position of a particular thing. These are known as prepositions, right? So today we covered an active worksheet related to the concept preposition. Okay, so here on top, सबसे पहले you must have to write the topmost content. So today is 19th of February. So here you have to mention the date, okay? And you must have to remember the date. Whenever you start any new subject, you must have to write the date on top. ठीक है, कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आपने स्टडी किया, so on top you must have to write the date. Okay, it's very much important. So what is the date today? Today is 19th of February. The year is 2021, right? And the day is Friday, so you must have to circle the particular day, right? Okay, now you have to go outside, check the weather today, and circle the particular clip art. Fine. So we are doing the concept of preposition. So see, I used to say it again and again and many more times. This word, clear the meaning of those words. Prepositions, ऐसे words जो किसी object, किसी particular thing की positions बताएं, उनको हम बोलते हैं preposition. So the meaning of that word is clear with this word, right? So what are the prepositions? Behind, in front of, next to. Again we are doing the same prepositions. Behind means किसी चीज के पीछे. In front means किसी चीज के आगे. Next to means साथ, किसी भी चीज के साथ, right? So what we have to do in this worksheet, let's see below. First of all, we will read the information given to us, and then we will do that worksheet. Look at the pictures. We have to see the pictures and write in complete sentences. So to complete those sentences, there are the words given for us, right? तो हमने क्या करना है? Firstly, we have to see the pictures and then we have to write the complete sentence. Let the children make sentence with the words verbally before they write them. ठीक है, तो पहले what is written over here कि हमें children को पहले वर्बली उनको बोलने देना है, ठीक है, वेदर दे विल राइट. सो सबसे पहले यू जस्ट हैव टू आस्क आवर किड्स, यू हैव टू फॉर्म द सेंटेंस वर्बली. पहले आप बोल के बताओ क्या सेंटेंस बनेगा, देन यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, चलो लेट्स सी. द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर अस फॉर आवर हेल्प. ओके, so what we have observed in this picture, there is a cage and there is a cat. So where is the cat? The cat is in front of the cage, right? So how you have to form the sentence? The cat is in front of the cage, right, students? So in this way, you just have to form the particular sentences, right? If you see over here, so there are the two boys, right? Both are standing in front of the gate. So the children are in front of the gate. So how we have to form sentence? The children are in front of the gate. So now I say verbally. ऐसे ही आपको भी पहले verbally sentence form करना है. Then you have to write it in the space provided. Okay, तो सबसे पहले form the sentence, speak it, and then when you find that mama say yes, this one is the correct, then you have to write it. Okay, the children are in, I-N-N. Take your pencil and write the sentence. The children are front, in front, Fronnt. The children are in front of the gate. The children are in front of of the the of the gate, right? And one more thing, you just have to write small, right? Because my pencil is not flexible, तो मैम को बड़ा बड़ा ही लिखना पड़ रहा है, ठीक है? But here you have to write formation correctly, and you just have to manage the space, right? In front of the gate. So I'll write over here, but you need not to write over here, okay? Gate, 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 right? Okay, chalo. Now come to the next picture. See the next picture. What you will observe in this picture? There is a gate again, and the dog is behind the gate. See, gate के आगे नहीं है. The dog is behind the gate. Gate के पीछे है. So how you have to form sentence? The dog is behind the gate. Where is the dog? The dog is sitting behind the gate. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Otherwise, you can write the dog is behind the gate. Okay, so we will write the short sentence. Okay, so the the dog the dog D-O the dog is behind. Here you have to use the word behind. Which words are these? Preposition. The dog is behind, B-E-B, hind, H-I-N-D. The dog is behind the dog is behind the where is the dog? The dog is behind the gate. Where is the dog? The dog is behind the gate. Gate, right? Gate, gate. Okay, and full stop. Here I'll forget to write the full stop. Okay, but you don't have to forget that. Okay, now see the next picture. So there are slides and there is a boy. Where is the boy? The boy is in front of the slide. कहाँ खड़ा है boy? In front. Okay. So the boy, the boy, the boy is the boy is in in front. The boy is in front. Front. The boy is in front of of the slide. The boy is in front of the slide. 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 The boy is in front of the slide. Okay. Now come to the next. So this one is the last. See, it is written over here. What you observe in this picture? There is a tent and there is a boy. So the boy is behind the tent. Where is the boy? The boy is behind the tent. Okay, so here you have to write the THE, the boy, boy, the is boy is behind, the boy is behind and the boy is behind the tent. The tent. Boy is behind the tent. 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 Right, students? The boy is behind the tent. Right? Okay. So this is all about your English work, right? So I'm giving you some time. Till then, you complete this worksheet. Okay, students, now you have to come towards your next subject, which is creative, right? So in our previous session, we had started this worksheet, right? This is your page number 12, right? So in this worksheet, I'll introduce you a new way to do creative is wax painting, right? I told you that you have to make any picture, anything, right? You have to draw anything, a heart, a kite, anything with the व्हाइट कैंडल टिप, राइट? व्हाइट कैंडल टिप की हेल्प से आपको यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है? एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन वी कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट, ओके? फॉर दैट यू मस्ट हैव द वाटर कलर एंड द कॉटन बॉल, ठीक है? तो फटाफट से यू जस्ट हैव टू ब्रिंग आउट बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स which I told you that you have to carry with you, water colors and cotton balls, ठीक है? जिन स्टूडेंट्स के पास है अभी, you have to take few drops of the watercolor and 1 2 drops of water into it and mix it in a bowl. अच्छे से आपको उसको मिक्स करना है बाउल में, ठीक है? नाउ यू मस्ट हैव अ कॉटन बॉल, आपके पास कॉटन बॉल होनी चाहिए। पेरेंट्स प्लीज गाइड जाकर वाइल डूइंग दिस स्टेप, ठीक है? तो आपको अच्छे से वाटर कलर को अच्छे से मिक्स करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक बाउल में, एंड देन यू हैव टू यूज द कॉटन बॉल। अब उसको क्या करना है, आपको कॉटन बॉल को उस वाटर कलर में जो आपने बाउल में लिया है उसमें अच्छे से डिप करना है, स्क्वीज करना है। देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, लिसन दिस स्टेप वेरी केयरफुली। पेंट द पिक्चर विद अ कॉटन बॉल डिप्ड इन वाटर कलर्स, ठीक है? जो आपने कॉटन बॉल यूज करी है, ठीक है, जो आपने डिप करी है वाटर कलर में, उसको पहले स्क्वीज कर लो, ठीक है? बिकॉज उसके अंदर जो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर है वो स्क्वीज कर लो, ताकि आपकी जो वो ये जो शीट है वो बिल्कुल वेट ना हो जाए, ठीक है? क्लमजी हो जाएगी अदरवाइज वो। तो इट्स बेटर कि आप उसको स्क्वीज करो, देन यू हैव टू डू इट, ठीक है? To paint cotton ball ko you have to dip in watercolor, then squeeze it. Then what is the next step? The wax picture will appear out of the watercolor. अब आपको वो cotton ball लेनी है और यहाँ पर जहाँ पर आपने पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैंडल, वहाँ पर आपने जस्ट लाइक दिस सी, जैसे ये है ना, आपने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करी है कोई भी पिक्चर, कॉटन बॉल की हेल्प से आपने इसको पेंट करना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? जब आप पेंट कर लोगे एंड व्हेन यू फाइंड कि जो आपकी वेक्स जो आपकी पेज है वर्कशीट है वो ड्राई हो गई है, सो यू विल लुक दैट पिक्चर लाइक दिस, ठीक है? आप देखोगे कि जो आपने पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी है वट एवर यू ड्रॉ ओवर हेयर वो भी बिल्कुल ऐसा दिखेगा, ठीक है? जैसे यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट ने कैट की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी थी, ठीक है? तो व्हेन ही यूज टू पेंटेड विद द कॉटन बॉल, तो उसने देखा कि जब ड्राई हो गई इमेज, आपकी ड्राई हो गई शीट, सो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस, ठीक है? आउटलाइन हो जाएगी, ट्रेसिंग हो जाएगी यहाँ पर। सो यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डू, यहाँ पर अगर आपने ड्रॉ करा है, यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज द कॉटन बॉल एंड देन नाइसली यू हैव टू पेंट इट होल, ठीक है? सारी जगह आपको पेंट करना है। आफ्टर सम टाइम, हाफ एन आवर, आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे दैट when it's completely dried you find that there is a outline, ठीक है? जो आपने पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी थी उसकी आउटलाइन यहाँ पे आपको शो करेगी, जस्ट सिमिलर टू दैट जो भी आपने ड्रॉ करा होगा उसकी आउटलाइन, ठीक है? सो इट्स अ मैजिकल, है ना? आपको लगेगा दैट इट्स अ मैजिक, वाओ! जब तक मैंने कलर नहीं करा था आई एम अनएबल टू सी द पिक्चर, बट व्हेन आई यूज टू पेंट इट, सो ये तो मैजिक हो गया, है ना? सो आप ये मैजिक ट्रिक अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शो कर सकते हो, ठीक है? सी आप ऐसे कर सकते हो दैट ओके, डू यू नो आई टुडे आई लर्न अ मैजिक, ठीक है? तो आप अपने फ्रेंड को दिखाना, फर्स्टली आप ड्रॉ करो कलर पेंसिल्स, अपनी वैक्स वाइट कैंडल वैक्स के थ्रू आपने इसको ड्रॉ किया, ठीक है? देन यू हैव टू शो टू योर फ्रेंड दैट डू यू सी एनीथिंग हियर, आपने यहाँ पे कुछ भी देखा है? तो ही से नो, आई एम अनएबल टू सी व्हाट यू ड्रॉ ओवर हियर, ठीक है? देन यू हैव टू से ओके ओके, यू हैव टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम, ओके? सो योर फ्रेंड से ओके, ठीक है, आई एम वेटिंग। So then you have to see, okay, now see, I'll do a magic. So you have to dip the cotton into the color, right? When you dip it, then you have to squeeze it and then you have to paint it nicely. ठीक है? आपने पिक्चर पे पेंट कर दिया, then you have to say, see, it's magic, now it's visible to you. He said yes. तो वो क्या करेगा आपके लिए, क्लैपिंग करेगा आपका फ्रेंड, है ना. सो टुडे यू लर्न अ ट्रिक, fine, and you have to use it among your friends. So that's it for your today class. ठीक है, तो आपने आज एक मैजिक ट्रिक लर्न किया है ना. एंड योर मैम ऑल्सो लर्न दैट मैजिक ट्रिक. मैम को तो आता ही नहीं था ये ट्रिक, है ना. चलो, ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू कम टुवर्ड्स योर नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, मैथ्स. Okay, students, you must have to complete this artwork today, right? बिल्कुल आपने complete करना है ये artwork, and when you find it that it's completely dry, you have to capture a picture and then share it with me. And one more thing, you can also share your ideas कि आपको ये creative class interesting लगी या नहीं लगी. ठीक है, today you learn a new way to do painting. अभी तक हमने पेंट ब्रश की हेल्प से वी डू पेंटिंग. We will use the vegetable painting, we use thumb painting, hand painting, but today we learn something new. What we learn today? Wax painting. Okay, so you just have to share your ideas that you like it or not like it. Okay, that's it. Chalo. So it's your maths book. Now you have to open it. Come on page number 5757, right? It's your page number 57, right? So this is your page number 57, students. Okay, so this is a new worksheet, right? So you have to write the topmost content over here. In the starting of the session, I told you what is the date today, so you just have to write the date first. I'm waiting for you. So have you done it? Okay, see the caption, days of a week. So firstly, we will revise the days of week and then we will solve this worksheet. Okay. So what is the first day? Sunday. है ना? If somebody is asking you, do you know how many days are there? So you say, yes, I know. So they say, okay, speak it. So you start from which day? Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, है ना? So now start with Sunday. The first is Sunday, then second is Monday. So here also you have to trace it. Second day is Monday, right? What is the second day? Monday. Third is Tuesday. Trace it along with reading. Tuesday. Next is Wednesday. Next is Wednesday. Then Thursday, it's Thursday. Thursday. Next is Friday. Sixth one is Friday. Then again it's Saturday. So now you have to speak it loudly. Sunday, Monday. You can also count it on your fingers. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, how many days are there? 7 days in a week. So in this way, you just have to revise it and then we have to give answer of the following close test, right? These are the close tests now. Chalo. Firstly, we will read the information. Okay, fill in the blanks. So these are the fill in the blanks or you can say the close test. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें इनको फिल करना है. ब्लैंक्स जो यहाँ पे प्रोवाइडेड है उनको आप फिल करोगे. सो टॉनी सेड विच इज योर फेवरेट डे. Tina said, Saturday. I get to sleep late. Why? Because after Saturday it's Sunday and Sundays are off. So that's why she get to sleep late. That's why Saturday is her favorite day, right? So Tony said, is it because there is no school the next day? So Tina said, yes. So very smart students, है ना? Sure. Okay, so now students, we have to give answer of the following close test. There are dash days in a week. and I want to get answer from you all. You all know that how many days are there? Ma'am, 7. Very good. So here it's already written. You just have to trace it. Okay. So there are how many days in a week? 7 days. The first day of the week is, here we learn it's Sunday. So again you have to trace over here. Dash is the second day of the week. Second day of the week कौन सा होता है? What comes after Sunday? It's Monday. So here you have to write the name. It's Monday. Day. Monday. D A Monday. Okay. The next is the third day of the week is, what is the third day? It's Tuesday. So here you have to write which day? Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day, right? Tuesday. Day. A day. Tuesday, right? Okay, now come to the next close test. The fourth day of the week is, what comes after Tuesday? It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, right? So here you have to write Wednesday. W-E-D, Wednesday. Wednesday. D-A-Y, day, right? D-A-Y, day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What comes after it? Fifth day is Thursday. Which day? Thursday, right? Thurs, 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 day, D-A-Y, day, D-A-Y, day, Thursday, right? Okay, Monday, again you have to revise it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What comes after that? It's Friday. So the sixth day of the week is Friday. Which day? Friday. Fry. Fri. Fry. Day. Friday. So Friday is the sixth day. Okay. Friday. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Day. Friday. Okay. The next. What comes after Friday? The seventh day is, I told you earlier, it's Saturday. So the seventh day is Saturday. S-A, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R, Saturday. D-A-Y, day, Saturday. Okay. So students, so you have to complete this worksheet, right? Okay, now it's time to write your daily diary. You just have to bring out your daily diary, then we will continue. Okay, students, first of all, we will write the date. Okay, this is the format which you have to follow. Right, so what is the date today? Today is 19th of February, right? And the year is 2021. So, what's about your English work? So, you have to do page number, it's page number 5353, I guess. Let's cross check, right? So yes, it's your page number 5353. So here you have to write do page number 53 from your book. Right? Do page number 53 of your writing skills book, right? Now, in creative, you have to complete your page number 12. So here you have to write complete complete page number 1 to 12, right? And now it's about your next subject, maths. So here first of all you have to write the subject name, and then you have to continue with the homework, right? So you have to write do page number, let's see the page number as well, 57, right? So here you have to write do do page page number 5757. Okay, so this is your diary for today. You have to write your daily diary regularly and share it with me on time, and keep revising your concepts, because जितनी भी आप practice करोगे it will improve your concept, right? So that's all about your today class, students. You have to revise it on daily basis, and wherever you need help, please tell me, right? That's it. Have a good day. Bye bye. Love you all. God bless you.